Emily followed every weight loss tip out there. Low-fat meals, more cardio, smaller portions. But after her gallbladder surgery, nothing worked. She felt bloated, tired, and like her body had betrayed her. But it had nothing to do with her willpower and everything to do with what her doctors didn't tell her. By the end of this video, you're gonna understand the real reason weight loss is so hard after gallbladder removal, and I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to start healing your digestion and reactivating your metabolism. Hi, I'm Lisa, a functional nutritionist who helps women with no gallbladder, fatty liver, or MTHFR gene variations finally lose weight and feel like themselves again. And I've helped hundreds of women feel better in their bodies after surgery, and after implementing these strategies, hopefully you will too. You might think they took out an organ, that's a big deal, right? But most women are sent home with zero guidance on what that actually means for their metabolism. Here's the truth. Your gallbladder's job was to store and concentrate bile, which is needed to break down fats and eliminate toxins. But if you got gallstones, that's a sign that your liver was struggling and it wasn't making good quality bile. Now, without a gallbladder, you might still have a sluggish liver, but now bile, instead of being concentrated, trickles constantly into your small intestine, whether you're eating or not, which means fat digestion may be less efficient. Or you might absorb fewer fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K, and your liver continues to be burdened and sluggish. This isn't just about digestion, it's about how your entire body processes food and burns fat. Now, let's talk about the real issues that pile up after gallbladder surgery and why weight loss gets harder. When bile flow is weak or insufficient, you can't properly digest fats and absorb fat-soluble nutrients like A, D, E, and K, and omega-3 fatty acids, which can lead to more inflammation in your body. Then you might start avoiding healthy fats, which worsens hormone imbalances. Your liver struggles to detox, and that can lead to estrogen dominance, causing belly fat, mood swings, and stubborn weight. You might even feel more inflamed, more tired, more frustrated, even though you're trying so hard. And most weight loss advice out there, it's not made for you. It's made for people with fully functioning bile and healthy livers. No wonder it's not working. Here's the good news. You can absolutely lose weight and feel amazing without a gallbladder. You just need the right strategy. So here's the steps. Step 1, support bile flow. Add bile-loving foods like beets, lemon, broccoli, and arugula. Try to eat a little bit of each one of those things every single day. For example, when you wake up in the morning, have some lemon water. At breakfast, add a little bit of steamed broccoli with your eggs. At lunchtime, add a salad with arugula and beets and some chicken. And when you start adding these foods into your daily routines, you're gonna notice that your digestion starts to shift. Supplements like taurine or ox bile may help, but it depends on your symptoms. Bitters or apple cider vinegar before meals can gently stimulate digestion. Step 2, nourish your liver. Your liver may still be sluggish, so support it with choline, cruciferous veggies, and regular meals instead of long stretches between meals. You'll also want to look at your methylation support if you have an MTHFR variation, which is common in women who lose their gallbladder. Step number 3, eat for fat breakdown and metabolism. Going low fat is not the right answer. You need healthy fats in moderate amounts combined in the right amounts with other foods. For example, a plate would look like 3/4 cup lean protein, 3/4 cup high fiber carbs like squash or sweet potatoes or beans, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of healthy fats. This type of food combination will help you to balance your blood sugar, which is key to stopping the hormonal chaos and getting back into fat burning mode. Are you ready to start feeling better? If this sounds like your story, I want to help you take the next step. I created the No Gallbladder Game Plan, a guide packed with 3 important nutrition strategies, supplement tips and links, a meal plan, recipes, and 6 mistakes to avoid without a gallbladder. It's simple, supportive, and made specifically for women like you. Grab it now in the link in the description and start giving your body the support it's been missing. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe because I drop weekly videos on metabolism, hormones, liver health, and digestion for women who are tired of the one-size-fits-all weight loss advice. And if you've had your gallbladder removed, leave a comment below about what happened to you after gallbladder removal and any tips you found helpful since then.